Here are the top 5 side business ideas. Online tutoring or teaching. With the widespread use of video conferencing tools, it has become easier than ever to offer tutoring or teaching services online. This can be a great side business for individuals who have expertise in a particular subject and are comfortable teaching others. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a knack for writing or editing, you could consider starting a freelance business in these areas. You could offer your services to businesses, bloggers, or individuals who need help with their writing or editing needs. Social media management. Many businesses today rely on social media as a key part of their marketing strategy, and they may not have the time or resources to manage their social media accounts in-house. As a result, there is a demand for social media managers who can help businesses create and manage their social media presence. E-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business can be a great way to sell products online. There are many options for setting up an online store, such as using a platform like Etsy or starting your own website using a tool like Shopify. Personalized services. People are often willing to pay for personalized services, such as custom meal planning, event planning, or personal styling. If you have a particular skill or interest that you could use to offer personalized services, this could be a good option for a side business. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and there are many other potential side business ideas that you might consider depending on your skills and interests. It's a good idea to do some research and think about what types of services or products you could offer that would be in demand and would be a good fit for you.